Why is synaptic pruning vital for a developing brain? Have you ever wondered how a baby's brain develops and why some connections are removed as they grow? Let's talk about synaptic pruning and its importance for a developing brain. Synaptic pruning is a process where the brain eliminates extra connections called synapses between neurons. During early development, especially from the time of conception until about 2 years of age, the brain creates a vast number of synapses. In fact, it can form tens of thousands of synapses every second. By the time a child reaches 2 years old, their brain has formed more synapses than it will ultimately need. This is where synaptic pruning comes in. It usually starts around the age of 2 and continues until about 10 years old, with some pruning happening even into adolescence and early adulthood. The brain selectively removes the synapses that are not being used. Why is this process so important? First, it improves brain efficiency. By getting rid of weaker or unused synapses, the brain can streamline its neural networks. This allows signals to travel faster and more effectively, making the brain work better overall. Next, synaptic pruning supports learning and adaptation. The connections that are frequently used are strengthened and kept, while those that are not used are removed. This means that the brain is shaped by the child's experiences and environment, making it more suited to their needs. Additionally, different areas of the brain prune synapses at different times. This helps develop specific abilities like vision, motor skills, and higher cognitive functions such as decision-making and personality traits. Moreover, proper synaptic pruning plays a role in preventing cognitive and behavioral issues. If pruning does not happen correctly, it can lead to problems like learning difficulties, attention disorders, and challenges with emotional regulation and social behavior. In the context of infant brain growth and early childhood neurodevelopment, synaptic pruning is a natural and necessary step following the rapid formation of synapses, known as synaptogenesis. It fine-tunes the brain's connections based on the child's interactions and experiences, ensuring that the brain develops in a healthy way. Understanding synaptic pruning helps us appreciate how the brain adapts and grows during those early years. It is a vital process that shapes the brain to support cognitive, emotional, and behavioral development effectively.